Welcome back, Fit Queens and Kings and all you rolling betweens. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope that you are sharing this day of love with your loved one. That could be your relationship, your husband, or even yourself. You deserve to be pampered and treated special today, even if you have to do it yourself. Today, I'm going to share with you how I created this Valentine's Day wreath. It turned out better than I expected it to because I ran out of material, I ran out of tulle, but it turned out cute anyway. I'm going to show you how I created this wreath using Dollar Tree products. So if you're interested to see how I created this, stick around and watch. Okay, you will need a wreath, and I've got a heart-shaped wreath right here. You will need ribbon, and I just brought 2 spools of pink ribbon. You will need some tulle, and I actually got 4 rolls of tulle, so hopefully that will be enough. I got it in white as well as pink. I got these heart picks that has the word love on it. On the opposite side, it has heart shapes. I got some little flowers to put on here. And I got a pair of scissors. So hopefully, guys, this will go good. This is my first time doing a DIY wreath. And you can do a DIY with any type of wreath for any type of holiday. Okay, I'm gonna start out by cutting up some tulle into 4 to 6 inch pieces. For this, you can use a ruler to measure the length of your tulle. But what I did, I just went by the size of my wreath, and then I just took my tulle, and I'm going to be using the center of the wreath only. And I just put the tulle through here to measure how long I wanted my ties to be. And then I just cut it. Okay. And so this is a good size length. And I think this measured out to be like 4 inches to 6 inches. So what I'm gonna do is continue cutting my tulle into strips. And I use that first piece that I measured as a measuring guide for the rest. So I already pre-cut some of my tulle. So I have the white, and here is the pink. As you can see, I did not get a lot of pieces from those 4 rows. So I'm hoping that I do have enough. All right, so now I'm going to cut my ribbon. And again, I'm gonna measure the length of my ribbon pieces just by measuring from the center of this wreath. Okay. So now I'm gonna cut up all of my ribbon. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish cutting up this ribbon, and then I'm gonna come back and show you the final pieces, and then we can start putting our wreath together. I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I have all of my ribbon cut out. This probably measures about 4 inches maybe. Again, you know, I take the measurements based off the length that I want to wrap around the wreath. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to alternate all of the materials. So I'm using this wreath, again, that I purchased from the Dollar Trees in a heart shape, but you can use any type of wreath. I'm wrapping the tulle and ribbons around the centerpiece, and all I'm doing is tying it into a knot. So depending on how fluffy you want your wreath to be is going to determine how much material you need. So I'm going to start with the pink and make sure it's even on both sides. And just tie it into a knot. Then I'll take a piece of white tulle. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish tying this up and I'll check back with you in a minute. Okay, so I finished wrapping the tulle and I've actually run out of tulle. So I'm going to try using the ribbon to fill in some of the empty spaces. Okay guys, I'm gonna finish wrapping the ribbon in between the tools, and I'll check back with you in a second. Okay, so now I'm finished putting all the tulle in place. Trying to fluff it in a little bit to make it look a little thicker. Of course, I didn't have enough tulle, so hopefully when I fill it in with some other stuff, that it'll look a little bit thicker. So this is what it's looking like so far. Can't really see the heart shape of it yet. This is what it looks like so far. I want to take these little hearts and take them out of the styrofoam and take all of these out, because I'm going to hot glue those to the wreath. I'm also going to use these roses and hot glue them as well. So before I hot glue them, I'm going to determine exactly where I want to place everything. So you know, I said I need to fill some spots in, and so I'm trying to position them into where I want them to be. Take the word love, the styrofoam for love, and I'm gonna see where I'm gonna place it. I think I'm just going to place it going across like this onto the tulle. So I'm going to hot glue these hearts onto the wreath as well. Okay, so I finished gluing the hearts and the word love on there. It turned out okay for this to be my first time doing a wreath using tulle. A word of advice, the tulle that has the glitter on it, don't get it because it gets everywhere. So this is the wreath that I'm going to put up in my guest bedroom / office for Valentine's to show love. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Happy Valentine's Day.